Hi everyone, today I'm excited to show you how to make these craft stick catapults. They're really fun. So you will need a glue gun to do this craft, so let's get started. So we're going to begin with the craft sticks, and I'm going to start with the three blue ones, and I'm going to make them into a triangle. So it will look like this, and then you can glue it. You only need a small amount of glue. So there's one, and then grab 3 more craft sticks and do the same thing. Make a second triangle. Okay, and let's let those dry for a few minutes. The next step is to take your skewer and your straw. Some of you may need to cut your straw if you have a big straw. And you just want a little bit of the wood to show on each side because you're going to glue it in the corner of the triangle like this. And it helps if you have another pair of hands that can help you to steady it. So I'm going to put a little glue on the end of that skewer. And then on the other end. And I'm going to hold it there for a minute so it dries. I think I might need a little more glue. So I'll let that dry a minute. And while that's drying, the next step, you can very gently can show you, is you're going to, this will help stabilize the base. So you put a little glue and then lay the popsicle stick there and do the same thing on this side. And once it dries, you can pull all the glue string, the threads that happen to me a lot. You can pull them off once it dries. Mine's a little bit crooked, but you know what, that's okay. It's still gonna work. Okay, so we have that, and you know what? It really dries fast, but mine is definitely crooked. I'm gonna see if I can fix it. Glue it one more time. There, it's not too bad. So, that's what we have so far. The next step is to take the single color popsicle stick that you have, and you're going to place it, whoops, going to place it right here on the front of it. You're going to take the two bigger sticks, and we're going to be gluing them together. So put one stick down, and then you're going to lay the other stick on top of it, and you're going to leave about 1 inch to 1.5 inches showing of the bottom stick. So like that. It doesn't have to be completely precise. Just like that. And then I'm going to glue this on top so you see about A little more than an inch showing of the purple, which is the bottom stick. Good. And then you're going to glue the little clear cup to the end. Just like that. So it's going to, so the cup will rest on the yellow stick here. And then when you have it in place, you can put a little glue. You want to glue that stick to the straw. And you hold it in place so it stays. Once your popsicle sticks have dried, it's time to load the cup with your pom-poms. And if you put your fingers on the two popsicle sticks inside the triangles, it really stabilizes the catapult. So you put your fingers there and you press it, and there they go.